Welcome back. I have a new poem for you. This is titled The Nature of My Love. Devotion is but a small price to pay for the one that lays their tenderness in my hands. Devout follower, I will dedicate my work, my passion, my studies, call forth the tornadoes of change if but to exist with, beside, such a soul. Wrapping through and through until so tight we have no choice but to bind into one being. And yet, the world is perplexed at the very nature of my love, yearning for the intertwining without first presenting their tenderness. If God does not force your hand and beg you to give up your troubles, but only to bless you, what do you expect of me? Vulnerability bleeds. We lean not only on, but into one another. And could you ever say you've treated yourself too well, too gently, too forgivingly, too patiently, too humbly, too kindly? Oh, devotion. So easily can I give it, but are you willing? The nature of my love. Thank you.